Hi everyone, welcome to week 5, the last week of our first project web design. You guys did a great job last week. I really enjoyed your initial post. And this week is time to finish your web design and submit your final post. So this is a week 5 page. This week we have 5 tasks, 3 tasks in total. The first one is this video, and the second one is to submit your final post in the assignment. So please remember to submit it in the assignment. So this time we will not use Slack, so I can give you grades in the Canvas system. And the third task is the optional one. So if you are interested at the web design and especially something about the web design language, you can learn something from these 4 links. These 4 links are for free online courses, which you can learn something more about web design, especially the language. So that's all for the first project. Congratulations, you guys did a great job, and I'm really looking forward to your final post this week. Thank you so much. And next week we'll start our second project, and I'm also really looking forward to it. Thank you, and have a great week.